Welcome to Canva and AI, and today we'll be talking about camera angles. As we all know, camera angles are now important part of designing, especially in this era of AI, where you can generate any kind of image that you want. So for you to have images that stand out, you want to understand the camera angle. You want to imagine yourself being the cameraman and you are the one taking the pictures. So if you're going to be with the one holding the camera, you want to understand the angles that gives you your best result. So let's go into this video. So today we'll be talking about just 5 camera angles, which are the common types, but there are still a lot which you can make your own extensive research to understand them better. So this first one here is called the close-up medium close shot, which is from the head down to the waist. You get a shot of the person, whatever they are doing. Now the second one here is called the bird eye view. The bird eye view, meaning the camera is the shot is being taken from the top of the person's head. Now you want to imagine why it's called a bird eye view, I guess, is because if I'm a bird and I'm going to be looking at this person, my point of view will be this way. My point of view of the person will be this way, from the head down to the leg. This will be how I will see that person. So the second one is the warm eye view. Now why this one is called warm eye view is because if you were a little warm, I guess this is how you'll be looking at this person as a giant. This puts the figures, the image or the subject as a figure, as a dominant figure, like a giant or something like that. And this is called over the shoulder. So this warm eye view, the camera is below. The camera is as if the camera is actually on the floor, taking a picture of the subject. So this one is called over the shoulders. So over the shoulders can be in different formats. It can be from the complete back of the person or this side. Just know that this shot is taken from behind that person. It's as if you want to see what this person, you're taking the shot from behind the person so that the person's reflection is being visible. This kind of shot is taken especially when your subject is actually looking at yourself in a mirror or something. So you want that kind of shot. That's where this shoulder shot comes in. Now this last one is called the Dutch angle or tilted angle. So you can see how the subject is. You can tell how the camera is like this. So if you want to generate your images, you want to know your camera angle. You want to put this 5 at least in mind because it's quite unique and you get to use them in different ways.